Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a journey through time with one of the most fascinating subjects in technology, the evolution of artificial intelligence, or AI as we know it. Buckle up, because we're starting from the very beginning, sprinting through the present, and speeding towards the future. Let's kick it off with a bit of history. The seeds of AI were planted back in the mid-20th century. The concept? Simple, yet revolutionary machines that could think and learn like humans. The father of artificial intelligence, Alan Turing, posed a groundbreaking question in 1950. Can machines think? This sparked an avalanche of research and development that has since transformed our world. Fast forward to the 21st century, and AI isn't just a theoretical marvel anymore. It's everywhere. From the smartphone assistants that wake us up, to sophisticated algorithms that recommend what to watch or who to connect with online. These developments have been pivotal, transforming AI from mere curiosity to an integral part of our daily lives. Now let's talk about where we stand today. AI is not just about asking your phone for weather updates anymore. It's about machine learning models that predict climate patterns, algorithms that help in early disease detection, and so much more. The current state of AI is dynamic, pushing boundaries in every field imaginable, from healthcare to finance and beyond. But what about the future? The trajectory of AI is as thrilling as it is unpredictable. Imagine AI that can seamlessly collaborate with humans to solve the world's most pressing problems, like curing diseases or ending poverty. We're looking at potential developments in AI ethics too, ensuring these advancements benefit everyone equitably. The future of AI promises not only smarter machines, but also a new era of human-machine partnership. Before wrapping up, let's ponder a crucial aspect: the ethical considerations. As AI becomes more powerful, the need for guidelines and regulations grows. Balancing innovation with responsibility is key to harnessing AI's full potential, while safeguarding our societal values. So there you have it. From its humble beginnings to its current capabilities and the boundless possibilities of tomorrow, AI continues to be one of the most exhilarating areas in technology. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the evolution of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Catch you in the next video.